In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see your competitors' active Meta ads using the Meta Ad Library. First, go to Google and search for Meta Ad Library. Click the first organic result. This will take you straight to the official Meta Ad Library page. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose the country whose ads you want to review. For example, select the United States. Under the category filters, select All, so you can see all types of active ads your competitors are running. In the search bar, type the name of your competitor's Facebook page. Select the correct page from the drop-down list. Now, you'll see all active ads your competitor is currently running. You can check start dates, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network. If you click See Ad Details, you'll get an even deeper view of the ad. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly analyze any competitor's ads using the Meta Ad Library. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and watch my other tutorials on Meta ads and digital marketing. See you in the next video.